Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw in Target Plus. To bank payouts, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from Target Plus to your bank account, start by logging into your Target Plus seller account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Payments section in the main menu. In the Payments section, look for the option labeled Withdraw Funds. Click on Withdraw Funds to initiate the withdrawal process. You will then see your available balance displayed on the screen. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw in the designated field. Make sure to review the minimum and maximum withdrawal limits. Next, select your preferred bank account for the payout. If you have not linked a bank account yet, follow the prompts to add a new one. Once your bank account is selected, review the withdrawal details carefully. If everything looks correct, click on the Submit button to process your withdrawal. You may receive a confirmation notification regarding your withdrawal request. Keep an eye on your email for updates related to your transaction. Typically, it takes a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. If you encounter any issues during the process, visit the Target Plus Help Center for assistance. Always ensure you have provided accurate bank details to avoid any delays. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw your earnings from Target Plus to your bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.